As I begin the study of law,
I understand the privileges inherent in becoming a lawyer and the responsibilities that accompany such an undertaking.
The purpose of the oath, as well as the talk that Judge Trinacosta gave them, was to talk to them about the responsibilities that they have as lawyers.
Accordingly, I promise that I will uphold the standards that are expressed in the University of San Diego School of Law Honor Code and Student Code of Conduct.
We want to make sure that students understand as soon as they're admitted to the law school what their personal professional obligations are to themselves, to the school, and to the profession.
I commit myself to the service of my community, integrity with every deed, and diligence in the performance of my legal studies.
So I think we need to have a broad definition of what public interest law is, that really people don't feel excluded from because of their political views, or don't feel excluded from because of the kind of law that they do. So it needs to be inclusive, but also because people need to understand that it's the responsibility for all of us as lawyers and not just for a few of us.
I pledge that I will at all times conduct myself with the dignity befitting an advocate and counselor in this noble profession.
Employers really expect students to be able to hit the ground running. And our students are able to do that because they have these practical, hands-on legal experiences in actual law firm settings or actual law office settings before they graduate.
We think it's important to have the introduction to the study of law class so that students will have an early and systematic introduction to the legal system, and so that they will have some added assistance in developing legal skills.
We have gone to grading of the first year Lawyering Skills 1 class. We have implemented an entirely new grammar program where we have a diagnostic, workshops, and an assessment for all first year students. And we have additionally started offering these workshops on advanced or additional writing topics such as proofreading, editing, and email communication.
I acknowledge that I will be a zealous advocate, but will act with courtesy and cooperation toward others, and will treat my colleagues, students, faculty, and staff with the utmost respect.
It was important to have an oath of professionalism because it set from the very first days the students were here a tone. It also set a framework for how they should think about their experience here in law school. They're training for a profession, they're training for the responsibilities of that profession.
This pledge I take freely.
This pledge I take freely.
This pledge I take freely.
And upon my honor.
And upon my honor. And upon my honor.
This pledge I take freely and upon my honor.